We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning, friends. Today's topic, differentiation. Definition of differentiation. Suppose f is a real value function and a is a point in its domain of definition. The derivative of f at a is defined by d by dx fx equal to f dash x one time derivative equal to limit t tends to x f of t minus f of x by t minus x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Example number 1. Find the derivative of fx equal to x raised to n belongs to I by using definition method. So here f of x equal to x raised to n. Therefore f of x plus h equal to x plus h raised to n. Using differentiation definition, f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. F of x plus h raised to n, f of x raised to n, denominator only single h, but numerator x plus h and minus x. So we have to add x and subtract x in denominator function. So now we take x plus h equal to t, then f dash x is equal to limit t tends to x t raised to n minus x raised to n upon t minus x. Here we are using limit functions formula. First number formula we have to apply here, then we write down n x raised to n minus 1. Example number 2. Find the derivative of f of x equal to sin x. So here f of x equal to sin x, then f of x plus h equal to sin x plus h. By using differentiation definition, f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. So f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 sin x plus h minus sin x upon h. Here we have to apply the formula s minus s that is 2cs. So we have to apply s minus s 2cs. One time we have to add it, second time we have to subtract it. So 2 cos x plus h by 2 into sin h by 2 by h. Here sin h by 2 available, so denominator only h available. So these two we have to shift in denominator to denominator function. So limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 upon h by 2 into limit h tends to 0 cos x plus h by 2. Now we have to apply limit h tends to 0. This is a sin h by 2 tends to 0 sin h by 2 upon h by 2, that is the value 1. And here we have to apply h equal to 0, so cos x plus 0 by 2. So cos x plus 0, so cos x. So our answer is cos x. Another example number 3. Let f from R to R, f of x equal to 3x plus 5. If f dash 1 is exists, then find its f dash of 1. So limit h tends to 1 f of x plus h, but x equal to we have to consider 1, so 1 plus h minus f of x equal to 1, so f of 1 by h. So f of 1 plus h we have to apply as a x, so 1 plus h, so 3 bracket 1 plus h plus 5 minus f of 1 we have to apply 1, 3 into 1 3 plus 5 8. So now we have to multiply this value. So limit h tends to 0, 3 into 1 3 plus 3h plus 5 minus 8. So 5 plus 3 8, 8 minus 8 cancel. So limit h tends to 0, 3h by h. 3 is constant. So limit h tends to 0, h by h, that cancel 1. So the answer is 3. Therefore f dash 1 is exists and f dash 1 equal to 3. Another example number 4. let f from R to R, function R to R, f of x equal to sin x. If f dash of 0 exists, then find it. So here we have to consider x equal to 0. So f dash of 0 equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h, but x equal to 0, so 0 plus h minus f of x, that is f of 0 by h. Now 0 plus h, that is f of h, so we have to apply f of h. So sin h, f of 0 matlab sin 0, 0 by h, sin h by h, it's a limit formula, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h equal to 1. So therefore f dash 0 is exists and f dash 0 equal to 1. Similarly, some example here, d by dx cos x. So directly we are using differentiation formula and write down the answer minus sin x. Also we have to find this definition method, use definition method, and we have to find this answer. D by dx tan x, then minus sec square x. D by dx e raised to x, then e raised to x. D by dx a raised to x, that is a raised to x into log e base a. D by dx log x equal to 1 by x. D by dx tan x equal to 10 because of 10 constant and x 2 differentiation with respect to x equal to 1. D by dx of 2 sin square x plus 3 cos x plus 1. So how we find? So 2 sin square. So first we have to differentiate 2 power. So 2 sin into sin differentiation cos. So 2 sin 2x plus 3 and differentiation of cos x, that is minus sin x, and constant 0. D by dx 1 minus cos x by sin x. We are using divide rule, otherwise definition method. D by dx sin raised to 4x. So what is the differentiation of? First we have to do power differentiation, 4 sin cube x into cos x. So this type any type of example is given by using definition method, then we have to use this formula, f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h, and we have to find the answer. Now important formula for derivative, constant c, then differentiation is 0, x raised to n, then differentiation of with respect to x, and x raised to n minus 1, and remark that is a necessary condition, n belongs to R. Log x, then differentiation 1 by x, x is not equal to 0, a raised to x, then a raised to x into log e base a, e raised to x, then e raised to x, sin x, then cos x differentiation minus sin x, tan x differentiation sec square x, cos x differentiation minus cos x into cot x, sec x differentiation sec x into tan x, cot x differentiation minus cos x square x, constant 1 differentiation 0, 1 upon x differentiation minus 1 upon x square, square root of x differentiation 1 upon 2 square root of x, where x is not equal to 0, sin inverse x differentiation 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square, there modulus of x less than 1, cos inverse x differentiation minus 1 upon under square root of 1 minus x square, modulus of x less than 1, tan inverse x differentiation 1 upon 1 plus x square, cot inverse x differentiation minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, sec inverse x differentiation 1 upon modulus of x square root of x square minus 1, where x is not equal to 1, cosec inverse x differentiation 1 upon minus 1 upon modulus of x square root of x square minus 1, x is not equal to 1. Now working rule of differentiation, if f and g be two function of x, then how we have to differentiate? For derivative of sum and difference, if y equal to u plus or minus v, that means addition and subtraction, then dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx in addition, but in subtraction dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. Number 2, derivative of product, if y equal to u and v, then we have to use product rule, then dy by dx equal to u as a constant, differentiation of v function with respect to x, so dv by dx plus v constant and differentiation of u with respect to x, that is a du by dx. Number 3, y equal to u v w, if 3 function, then dy by dx is equal to u v constant and w differentiation with respect to x, so dw by dx, vw constant, u का differentiation with respect to x, du by dx, wu constant, v का differentiation with respect to x, dv by dx. If y equal to ku, then k is a constant, so dy by dx equal to k du by dx, where k is a constant. Number 5, derivation of division, if y equal to u by v, then derivation division method, v denominator as it is, numerator differentiation minus numerator as it is, denominator differentiation upon denominator square. So v constant du by dx minus u constant dv by dx upon v square. Number 6, if y equal to k by v, then dy by dx equal to minus k by u square du by dx. K by u, then dy by dx equal to minus k by u square du by dx. Example number 5, find d by dx x cube plus 3 raised to x plus 3 cube. So first we have to differentiate separate. So d by dx x cube plus d by dx 3 raised to x plus d by dx 3 cube. So x cube, that is the first formula we have to use, x raised to n, that is n x raised to n minus 1, so 3x square. 3 raised to x, then we have to apply a raised to x formula, a raised to x log e base a. So here 3 raised to x log e base 3 and 3 raised cube, that is a constant term, so constant term differentiation, that is 0. So our final answer 3x square plus 3 raised to x into log 3. Example number 6, find d by dx x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon x raised to 5 by 2 plus square root of 2 raised to x. So first we have to apply the differentiation for separate function. So d by dx x raised to 3 by 2 plus d by dx x raised to minus 5 by 2. Because of a denominator function, when we have to shift in numerator, so the power is positive, then we have to write down negative. Square root of 2x. Now differentiate separate 3 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2. First rule we have to apply here. Here we first rule minus 5 by 2 x raised to minus 5 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 7 by 2. Here a raised to x formula we have to apply, square root of 2 raised to x into log e base square root of 2, that is 2 raised to 1 by 2. Now x raised to minus 7 by 2 in numerator, so we have to shift in denominator, so x raised to 7 by 2. X raised to 1 by 2, that is a square root of x. Example number 7, find d by dx x raised to 1 by 5. So x raised to 1 by 5, that means first rule we have to apply x raised to n, that is n x raised to n minus 1. So 1 by 5 x raised to 1 by 5 minus 1. So 1 by x raised to 1 by 5 x raised to minus 4 by 5. Find example number 8, find d by dx x minus 1 upon x square. So first we have to expand this function a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x square minus 2x into 1 upon x plus 1 by x square. X cancel, so 2 1s are 2. Separate we have to apply differentiation d by dx x square minus 2 minus d by dx 2 plus d by dx x raised to minus 2. X square differentiation, that is a 2x, constant term differentiation 0, x raised to minus 2, that is a minus 2x raised to minus 3. So 2x minus 2x minus 3. Example number 9, find d by dx a raised to x plus log x plus 1 upon x. Separate first we have to apply differentiation d by dx a raised to x plus d by dx log x plus d by dx 1 upon x. But 1 upon x, that is x raised to minus 1. Here we have to apply the formula a raised to x, that is a raised to x into log a. Log x differentiation 1 upon x, and x raised to minus 1, that is minus first formula minus 1 x raised to minus 2. Example number 10, find d by dx bracket x raised to 4 minus 2 by x square into another bracket x square minus 3 by x cube. So first we have to multiply these two functions. So when we have to multiply it, x raised to 4 into x square, that is x raised to 6. Now x raised to 4 into this one, to x cube cancel, that is minus 3x. This function we have to multiply with x square cancel, that is minus 2. And these two functions, that is a minus plus 6 upon x raised to 5. So denominator x raised to 5 we have to shift, that is x raised to minus 5. Now we have to apply separate differentiation d by dx x raised to 6 minus d by dx 3x minus d by dx 2 plus d by dx 6 x raised to minus 5. So x raised to 6 differentiation 6 x raised to 5. Differentiation of 3x, that is 3. 2 constant term, that is 0. And 6 x raised to 5, that is 6 5 30 x raised to minus 6. Example number 11, find d by dx 4x square minus 5x plus 1 upon x raised to 5 minus x raised to 4. So first we have to find the factor of numerator function and denominator function. So numerator function, the factor is 4x square minus 5x plus 1, that is a x minus 1, 4x minus 1. Because of our last term we have to multiply with 4 and find the factor of 5. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 1 5 and 4 into 1 4. So the factor is x minus 1 x minus 1. X raised to 4, denominator we have to take common, so remaining factor x minus 1. Numerator and denominator x minus 1 cancel, so remaining differentiation term d by dx 4x minus 1 upon x raised to 4 Now we have to do separate. So 4x by x raised to 4, that is 4 by x cube. So 4 into x raised to minus 3, and minus 1 by x raised to 4, that is x raised to minus 4. Now differentiation of this function, 4 into 3 minus 12 x raised to minus 4, and minus 4 x raised to minus 5. So final answer minus 12 x raised to minus 4 plus 4 x raised to minus 5. So today we have to complete differentiation of a definition method, and some formula we have to apply, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division rule. So all the formula we have to apply. So any type of question is given, so out of 4, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, you can apply any method. Thank you very much.